Today I'm unboxing the Foodsaver Handheld Plus. This is model number MS2010, and we purchased it specifically because of this little Foodsaver portable unit. So let's pop it open. Okay, so it looks like in this little pouch there's some sample bags. A user manual. A fresh start guide. Plug in, turn on locking latch, place handhold Foodsaver logo up, press the back still button, place food inside a pre-cut bag. So I will be doing a future review of this item as well. Some additional small bags. This looks like an attachment. Ooh, and it looks like some an additional large resealable Foodsaver bag. And a small resealable Foodsaver bag. So I definitely will try these guys out. And then here is the detachable vacuum unit. And it looks like it does. Oh, look, it's already gone. So this is the MS2010 Foodsaver Handheld Plus, and we will be giving it a try, and I will drop a review. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in unsponsored tech and 3D printing, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will definitely respond. Thank you.